Hello everyone, greetings from the north coast of New South Wales in Australia. Just thought I'd spend a minute or two showing you how I use my Roland Juno DS, which I've had now for a couple of years. I took this up in my late 60s, so I'm not a really proficient musician, but this thing makes me sound a little bit better than what I am. What I do is I loop all these tracks together, and then I just play along and change the instruments, play along with most of them, bring them in and out as a. So what I usually do is start off with a drum kit or a drum rhythm. That's not it, but on this one I have a Doze Bass 103 on the guitar dial. I have another drum kit as well, a xylophone on the keyboard 138. And a few of the synthesizer effects on here, and then I just go and, as I said, bring them in and out. I play this little piece of music in E minor. I usually choose a key or a chord pattern before I start, but this is just in E minor straight through. We'll call it Going Nowhere because that's what it does. See what you think. I'll turn this off so that you can't hear the birds and the noises from outside.